Hello there, my name is Ariful Islam. In this video I show how to change the color of the eye and create a multicolor eye. First we need a curve adjustment layer and increase it, and then mask it, and then another hue and saturation adjustment layer. Take the color eyes and change it just like this, and increase the hue and saturation, and then control plus I, use brush tool and paint it over the eye. Make sure the foreground color is white, and we need another hue saturation layer, and then colorize and change the color and increase the saturation, and control plus I, then brush it over. Okay, and then we can change the color of the eyes as your wish, like this. That's pretty much cool.